Hello dears and welcome back to my YouTube cooking channel. Today I want to share with you a delicious recipe for slow baked cabbage and sausages. Let's start by showcasing these delicious smoked dried sausages that will add an incredible flavor to our dish. This sausage is made in a small family-owned business in Germany that specializes in producing healthier processed meat. I'll begin by carefully slicing the fresh cabbage and removing the tough core from each half. Next, I'll slice up some pickled cabbage to add a unique twist to our dish. To prevent sticking during the cooking, I season my Dutch oven pan with a few sprays of olive oil. Now I'll add in some chopped bacon for that savory smoky flavor, and I will place it in front of my humble fireplace. After some time of cooking in front of my fireplace, I'll add 100 grams of savory chopped sausage to enhance the flavor. I am introducing a generous portion of chopped paprika into our dish for a burst of color and flavor. Next, I'll incorporate some aromatic and savory notes with a helping of chopped onions. After 1 hour or so, it's time to give everything a good stir to ensure all those delicious flavors are well mixed. As our dish continues to cook slowly and develop rich flavors, it's now time to introduce the sliced fresh cabbage into our pot. Once the fresh cabbage has softened, I'll add in our pickled cabbage to provide a delightful contrast of flavors. Now it's time to add a blend of our favorite dried condiments, dried dill, garlic powder and black pepper, and mix everything together thoroughly. After a few hours of slow cooking, I'll introduce some rich paprika paste and tomato paste to further enhance the depth of these amazing flavors. To add a smoky element and prevent the sausages from sticking, I'll season a grilling plank with some smoked bacon. I layer rounds of this delectable sausage onto the seasoned grill plank. This will be a wonderful topping for my slow-baked cabbage. Once these delicious sausages are beautifully roasted in front of my fireplace, I carefully remove them to be later added to our cabbage dish. After patiently waiting for 6 hours as our dish cooks slowly, it's finally time to plate up this mouth-watering creation. And now, for that final touch, let's add those deliciously roasted sausages into our amazing baked cabbage dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me in creating this hearty and flavorful slow-baked cabbage and sausage dish. See you!